Morning, my friends. Today we got 2006 Toyota Tundra V6 for 4.0 liter engine. We started replace that started. That's what I want to show you today. How you do that for replace the started. Okay, the first thing, the started was located on the driver's side under the truck. So you need to go under the truck and see the started. They got a plug and they got 2 bolts on the flywheel and they got positive terminal. Okay, this is the first thing to do is take the plug out. Okay, this is the plastic plug. It's just a finger push it and pull it. It's come out. Okay, this is the plug out. Keep on go. We see the positive terminal. We use the range 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters for loosen the nut, and then we take the nut out and keep on go. The terminal is ready to pull it. In this case I use a short 13-inch millimeter because you don't have too much room for using the socket or some impact range, you know. So just a range. Okay, we take the nut out. And then we pull out the terminal. Okay, you see? Okay, this is the positive terminal. They come from the battery. Okay, the terminal out, the plug be out. This is the next step is okay, the next step is loose the 2 bolts was on the bell housing. Okay, in this case I use the long extension and 14 millimeter socket and electric impact range for loosen, because we don't have too much room for put some range, but they got a long extension and the impact range, electric impact range. They got plenty enough room for these tools, and then we start loose. Okay, the brake loose. Okay, we got loose. This is the lower size, and we got the upper size. Okay. Okay, we got loose both sides. Okay, right now the started is ready to pull out the engine. For take the started off, they come out under the truck. Okay, we take another bolt we take out the started. And then we got it off under the truck. You seen it? Okay. I forgot to tell you, before do it, all this will you need to be disconnect the battery, okay? Because the positive terminal will need to be disconnected. Okay, finally, we got the started off. Okay, I got a brand new started. We buy in O'Reilly's. This is remanufactured started. You seen it? This is the plug. This is the terminal. And this is the two hoses, the two belt, the two bolts go to the houses, the belt housing. Okay, this is remanufactured started. Okay, they got for some instructions for don't lose the warranty. Okay, anytime you replace the starter, he say disconnect the battery first. Okay, so we are doing the backwards. We go under the truck and set the starter and put the bolts, the belt housing first, and then we put the bolts. Okay, just let me show you. Okay, the starter is set right now. All the same thing we do it for take it off, we do it for put it in. Okay, we tie the bolt, the two bolts in the belt housing, and then we put the positive terminal and tie it. Okay, this sound for okay. It's very difficult to show you because I was on the truck, but I try location the best thing to show you. Okay, okay, and we already take the nut on the positive terminal. Okay, and then yeah, we put the terminal, put the nut back on and tie it. Okay, and then we plug it in. We put the plug back on the starter. Okay, we got the plug back on the starter. We got a positive terminal not tied, and we got tied the two flywheel bolts that hook it up the starter on the engine. And done. Okay. The next step is connect the battery and fire up. Okay, so let me go under the truck. Okay. Okay, finally we got everything tight underneath. Okay, you seen it started. I'll connect the battery. Okay, and fire up. Cool. I crank it, the first shot. Okay, this is Ari. If you like it, share this video or put a like it, because this is 2006 Toyota Tundra V6 for 4.0 liter engine. Replace that started. Not to be complicated. Do everything under the truck. The starter was located underneath in the driver's side. Thank you for watching my videos, and put a like it and share this video, please.